Woman yedman it as long as you pen into new was over yedman. Because me, Majuma Mayano, the Piaman and Amho, airport may be a mirror. It's an economic who say BBC ha, Mecca was some. A hot Germany ha. Miss will be far just a polythene bag keke. MSC airport to Symphony baby, now on your honko. Police for bear 1,000 ever around this up, you know. I shall the crew woman who may be maybe a baller in the womb. Now to police for the best say that a you honor a polythene bag and it's in obedient to me. So
unattended, no, indeed.
Yes, but no Ghana no. Young fashion home be via a norma, am I? It is a sunny pedasan, between you say, you travel our night, we are when you travel, walk on, obey a workman, and you probably just add not to and never boy made me a cosso. It's one more more Trolleys, no, say, or near my year, week in ano, you will be out, the Chianica, our Kotoka International Airport, one say, what do you mean? What the end says, I shall say, airport honum, terminal honum, a be a Trolleys. And go 4 bucks on Beba and now whatever I don't know go be a one place away juma. It is a responsibility now when I saw reporting my opinion the way near cost or anything you fast for him but I've strong opinion won't say now on also the comfort zone on your nugget between so no I could shame I won't say and you may cost no no shame because you didn't say airport your opinion in there done and a power reporting man. And if you walk around now, sign is a walk up bedroom, a campaign, a bedroom airport. Now, on also see from about 6 o'clock now, we see from Abba share a home now and post a walk up a video, sir. Day, share a home man, you know, on what any culture, man, sir. Ever has a workers in now be out of position away, Edma. The kind of song, sir. Can you know what one more down on a bar? What one on the bedroom, Macana, if we are not serious. Chromophone, in a serious, and another back now can be so far a year and a town or more restaurants.
Most of the shops that were inside, no, most of them, minimum crown, and 4 BDM, a dime Kujao Quay, South 4 Nani Cruise, no still Yakrusu. Yeah. Now, what I say, me bedroom also one and will share. I think that was last year. What's the last year? I'm saying because breakfast or home inside the home, my family P. Yeah. I call. A kokuma se back. You wouldn't say now and this time no yeah but near tum I didn't see because me banko. But I never quite name on what I can say. So obi be remuno I be checking the bags and then I say for 1 day. And only the check in there oh a biano airport biano obi to be kind of a day. It be rem. Can normally no yeah no check in no. Yeah, obia to me raho, but when you check it in vie, now over or immigration
zone hot yeah. When chance, so be we are one cry among them. Yeah. So and see no na buama almost swa or my restaurants were honomono, at some time yoma honomono, amount 40 me ton yoma, and all part Burger King and McDonald's and other restaurant be around, no. Yeah. And yet too expensive, so obey enter to a year. Duty-free side home. How the name of the body? Send it. Waiting side one. The waiting room near a friend is boarding gate. Yeah. I just said, "I'll be betting me a raho." The Ghana knows the family near Juma. Oh, who will be a standing home crop for nothing or crown airport and I say, when they be by your party, if you pay your Muslim, if you young Cassano contact, you have a problem. You have a problem because. One way don't teach you man no more much me. Yeah, was a open up at restaurant to watch her. Bet me a pamos and patch what did you because be able to be 10 euros. 10 was rabbit now more than 1 hour. What again? Because we park me on Swatana. You have more so right. But Ghana said I feel be in the cruise to better now on my parents. I bet now on my baby the distance. Seriously, we are not serious.
We are not serious. Asama wake yeah asama waka hey emi depa say nipa no obi ode abusuafo aba no e bia be 10 minutes na o ma transit bi o ma du o mo kre obetena ho bia 1 hour 2 hours say ne flight ne call flight ne say e bia boarding gate so obi afena na or sorry eti e hosusa ya hanon to say Abrokyire is so they have a long some more big space but still say a small space crana yeah, na nipa ba airport ono hwe omom gina bonti ono na ko insider still allow so come kwa ka nipa na omoton no ma obenya kakra because hwe ma member companies in credit. All this chicken a wabontia who be or hasea or moyeno. I'm out for 2 car cohon a cotodian and son of massa before flight ako. Second year allow send control room and a businessman why investing or hormono or money back and also bejan returns. But they be anybody be cruise because attendance no nipanin remoi bedo be able to be beady.
And the holiday so much mission maybe on mudi moma the pebby say okay be up to be and conform can who be any patry and ask me for now if you and yet what you say now and also to me abua almost me I mean but see better and once again can when you restaurant in the Becosuatu because say omunya any a yibia income
any restaurant no cranko omo ton Ghana ways any yin what me say say ho obi anko no no akwa akotobi
but I contract despite I say din komo wa yi so na men kan kre Ghana way no bi o ho ane boarding ankasa aden what you say ne boarding so go be gina ho no ma bi o ha wo kotu hu adi bi o ye ofese e ka bi o da fo broni bi ko abeto wo be so bi an we de bi $1 no mo de abon wo be hwe bi $50 and 50 wo de ba okromu ha se sikana na aden adie bia mo be ntina wo mo so mo hwe mo prices ni ye because me economic ogina ho no ma dem na see am be yi me call duty free na mo ye em say mo one be company bi mo ye yam say spray bia mo say African e bia na akonta no kwasem ni hu ya manage mo say Ghana made in Ghana and the kwasem ni say that obi e de buy na e kama ankasa what I say cheap ne bo na nyedin it is a we you credit card kwa na odi chiaka we no problem bia and hu yan me hu yan manager Ghana spray and me to be na me nso me hwe hawa e sitie na kwasem ne sentinel so e malt kama manager hu yi e ma me buy me catch na nkofo ene ebi ho na ya letter samne ya omo aye ne kama ya ebi ho mo de enima bebeba fam a wo de dware a honam eto so kama ni na ko ebi ho wo fa bi $5 and bibi sa no to a how by wo ko fa sebeta fa cha ebi a ye kan sen adwa yanki bi a wo mapoma sen ho na ube of say $50 and I say be 60 and whatever just me therefore too much
right
and you know almost the prices you know almost man from kakanya normal na obi atimi ato mo so om tuanya scan no motimi de twitch omo nya sa ade anya se ho ani
right yeah Mama Joe and kasa all the way from Cologne Germany on the CEO a Fear Radio and as a Sunshine Radio or Cologne on the CEO na osaye ejuma airport ntina all church no mebune pap mame minim said nana rekon pacha also pacha nana rekon also amofa nana rekon kan ho mame na asene line a drop mame yemra eye sede na wo kan Trolleys ni eye no last year December wa wo ba panyini eye Efia Amankwatia ne omi na say efia odina chiba omo ba holidays ena yese omo SS luggage into omo digu box bi mu ne wrap no ho no mo na omo drew arrival ho no okwakoso trolley msa otwe na ode boxes yesi so do the normal ka ho 15 years abofra otwe enye yi so se broni bi ka che say oh you sorry as say otua ansan we trolley no na no kra na enye queen is card into don the card any tua ansan we yamam ofrey amomo pi a dear suggestion also the paper I think say Ghana free no and also ka ho and a Trolleys na say obit me dragging from airport ho no they do run about no so ho security ho so no they don't stop them I didn't try
okay yo akonta me da say aha bibi yen ha serious yen ni
mama gina ho mama na me mana na akwa ba mama na na akwa mama jo gina so kakra me mana na akwa ba na na reko yem akwa ba
Kwaku mejo so
na pacha pum to say
nyame adom ye ho ye
yo you say what follow up to a point my mama jo and we ha say na fe wo so obetum nchine bia mama
okay
ye ma nto aso
yo me da say Mr. Joe yo sorry
yo pa ka no benyaka
Aye hanom no say ene kono.
Right.
Tourist no. So we draw what do card said ye bano every hunye e wa hanom no. Odo card no. Either say obey we the big room now my pain and our best can na anu na what me tourist na den efim. Ene ye yin crofon so a omon ehwe tourist ni so. Enti be bia odbekwa kwesi bia no. Obi abefa efi ho no asan de ba be she back.
Right.
What do I say? And the young man found airport to know baby fufu bia.
Right.
And they were almost say gates in no so baby will hawk out the rain ye. Because what the trawling ni pia any possible.
Right.
It's your mama say be offer left in the baby see baby and no. The next you know be fan out be system no and no won't because more block say ya won't me far in Pima bond. Enti normally bi ho no ma omo ba ma no ne ampanyfo no e so omo ba omo ne nam airport na asefo no no omo hwenya fa chilling ko a what do you say if you ho no na de untumi fan pie sa de wo ka no obete no be abefa no de ye business wa want enya sanity e wo e ya hanom no it's no omo hwe no omo tutu because hanom those days no na you free said de na musa na you free said na ka Ghana for pay free no na han say free sa impo airport bi o wa e free e wo Europe hanom na ni tie eni first then ka ultimate discussion na waji the scan workers ni bia omo ani tifo na ahoho no okwa na ono gigi scan no de good butum
right
what you say enti e basa na omo so ho kire omo to omo hu sa no omo yi workers bi di from there no omo say no and it's idea best scan to your credit card the credit card there so to me ka say okwaje obi credit card show butum and I want pian so I won sanka tourist no
to go so no ma
no and no eboa ntino omane sa na eboa ema katasepor ye kanka dream no ema ni fio ema ska no ye den ekoba bi eseko no motimi dia ye adwuma panchi no bibi kakra meka ho hana misa rekon atwasama ma no meda
yo nana ye makwa ba bi yo
ya Kwaku mejoso
wele oh mama Joe dia na sa na rekon
ya Kwaku mejoso
mama na mo safa mama Joe nka ho omo mienu nka ho omo mienu na eye adwuma ne na me de me hoho kra wo ho no mododo nana mama Joe can be brave a monitor from the trolley to ye business ye nuanu be brave kojije shops na ene e bia jeje mu a ye ka ho asemi
yo Kwaku meda wase na machia atifo ne ahwefo ani Ghana mpanyimfo no nyina na Abrokyire so de Kwaku fitibe na sane ne nsuo no toa na eto emse minim se Ghana mahunu dia fans se de no nsuo yiri pa na bus pa kakraka ti se new plan pa ni nsuo de eko uko Scotland na mframa bi e pa wo no no enye mframa ketwa kra minim se bia mahunu dia climate change na ya kama di hu ayi pa Holland ya nsuo no tempa mna ni nyina to sa ne na akofom kakra nti ama wo no afiti asie yi ni tinga kakra so dia afibia ni ye nti we ya de dada beside that nam se be na ochi mi nunia na yenye programming wo kakra na aba ye Holland ha Amsterdam ne Den Hague but and also a part of a camera bono because Kwaku yeni I walk into say no I gave you 4 boys na sofa pa no ikugu Nigeria gugu Africa so yeni an ya san twa ba Europe somebody dey won say age na nyan abel 64 no nti ma ya re no so high kakaka mo high mo mpa ya maye
yo
makane say we na chese me we match am sister so
yo ojo so
na no cry Kwaku sister ma little commentary wo airport no ye adwuma okolon honmo no so de okano na won say Abrokyire no ni nyina ne sanse kuta emra ba kono nti no Bibiana adeko the Germany no ba Holland ba Belgium ko France
right
the same
na reckon e kasa no mo change the picture no to suma me
you know yeah the ba ye hwe eniema ekoso ewa ha nia mi medikan aka ene se eye mpanyimfo no a wo mo etukwan eba Abrokyire no omo mfa wo mani ento for no omo nhwe niema every sector abia me ba ha se mehunu ewo ministers I wo Holland ya no Kwaku wo mo ko work tour ka work tour na anya se bia wo mo ti kurum ha na no omo ko ne nam companies mo ne mum ti sa mo ministers wo mutumi ekọ baby ti se Suriname omo ko Aruba wo mo countries no na wo ma kwa hwe se de adwuma womo ye no ha no say na ti e wo ho no mo de aye comparison no ma kotra parliament na womo no asua se Ghana womo nye saa de ni bi sanko womo ye saa de ne pa ni bia enka ye ntra ho ma akoso gbokura no nka se de se ye enko ma ba bo Holland fo amani ama nko Holland fa be boa womo se de se ye nsuo mo adwuma nka saa se ne nto ye ye ma ye nua no ma saa de na aka womo ni nyina na emom nyina na yakọ Kwaku Airport any Trolleys no no cre o basketball e do ha o di mi fa say skipper say wo kokọ park wo car na bo say Trolleys ni si ho no mo ye wo be specific place a isi na wo kwa how mo no de no wo di €1 no bo ha di €1 bo so mo special mint bi a o ma ya wo di chum na atumi ayi atwe amount na che wusika na ehyem na ade kọ na odi kwa uwia odi akwa kusi baby a odi kosi the next one bitumi ayi amount baby o hono no so a entisa right ena wo mo a program no to understand say there is a distance bi a odi ya wadwen say odi twam that area na e bitumi abloko enimu ana say che bitumi abloko nti no ba twa abebre and you won't Obia offered a departure Obiano and I arrival no or the bag no go Trolleys so no chia no the babia ni kai is here. O yin in Yamagu no car or two in Yabu one other space warmer. A honor the Trolleys no air quack said a bear will be bound on Subaba Babasa. Right. One more SMS because I don't know Trolleys you know be a company be any fan say no need the answer or supply for any man yeah but Ghana no say the air can the no akoye bibi o say airport authority for na say e wo mu dio say a company be na wo no so dio untumi enhu obeba bia no na wo pia bo say na time na e hwe ne baby time hwe ne baby no na this so you kinetic energy na dey push so I was woman etumi oni nyina no ye niam nketinketi a ema a24 no ye brɛ Kwaku traple mu a kwa tintin na wa baba begina ho no ma begile mu aye bibia wie wo niam baba wo de fa wo ye na wo baba begi so so so
mo fa video no so so na trolley video
wo de efra eye mfasa wo de etri customs for no kora na wo di sani abase all
yeah
oh say home say na trap papa na there was a time be Americanese say bia wa Asempa what into obeti to ni say the Trolleys ni see a chain kokoto ase ona oh na ni pakura na mobo
Trolleys no
enti e be say oh Asempa info no mutu kwan no mo ba wo mo ehwe sa niema no right na say company na wo mo de ahya wo mo nsa so wo mo nya sa ade no company no wo mo nya service no say the say kan Germany omode e bia pass and omode etia because sikano wo homa omo amanfo eyi yana so omo afanenti no right so you feel say you be sikari ebe introduce sikabi so the be efficient adenti na yan transi na yan jini sa anyema ho
Mr. Rako just
very overlay
Mr. Rako check yeah Mr. Rako check ma me kakra oba Facebook executives no the video na to honomo obo say ya hye ne kama ho a neat but o twe a na hu se the city na Ghana ne use awie no behwe ba bi sisi street no so ene sisi sa street ya eda ho obia wo Kotoka International Airport area ho bia be hu ba bia street ya meken ba bia ye play ya the restaurant yi ho sa street na da ho na wo de ba airport ni inside no ɛhɔ ɛna trolleys ni sisi abɔnten hɔ no mo kyerɛ sɛ outside the airport sana me meka no because utra car park ni dia wɔyɛ outside the airport no street ni so na sisi yɛmu sɛ one na de ko sisi hɔ one ɛna de ko sisi hɔ ɛyɛ yɛn passengers ya o ɛna de akɔ sisi hɔ no because ebi pɛ taxi drivers na ɔmo gye cheap because airport taxi ne boarding it is all the tra no the koho na all the cover taxi e we chire ho na security for omo ho so na omo gina ho na omo twema omo di twam e ko chire ho no makoja ego no omo ko semanti e die nchi na emma sata wheels no enye basabasa ensei ene ye kan wo hwe se de sika na wo hwe koduru end ho a obo sa brochire sa ba bia wo de sika na sa wo de card be hye ansa no yi no wa wo hu so watu sika ntu be de obehwe ne yi ene nipa so fi so wan hwe ne yi so a watu ya e de scan be repair eti I think say sa automatic machine we na say de bi Ghana customer me
Kwaku na no achi ne ye besa busa ye ho se adenti na ye Ghana no ye bibia no e ya na drum bibia na ye bo mpanyimfo ye bo muti so na wo mu ye se but aseti mamfo na nkasa no asa ya dwene no e anti-clockwise
sanity koso video na da ho
anti-clockwise because wo be ye die ben Ghana ni e be ye do no pe but the law enforcement Kwaku me no ka say na no Tuesday ya bring me a bill of 169 euros Kwaku me ya den o say e kwan you ma the paint atum e careful so you the paint atu otia and the other side so no e paint no o ma aye no mfa so 1 meter na me wo baby e di atum tia no na we san go so ntimi kwa ya fa wona metumi ya baba be di be the other side Kwaku camera yi me just a distance of just about 2 meters camera yi me be fie me my wash 2 days later almost the letter baba to 169 eda 169 no se me ntwa no by November 4th na ya increase ni ko 259 so November 4th man tia ya de ko 469 who bond dog ameka se men kongungutia who bond dog ameka se men kongungutia into the law enforcement in Ghana they should empower it I say ye mu bibia obia
yes papa the okay me hu no say airport security omo car park ho na akofo edi twam edi fa chire ho ko chire ho no they know enwumre ya ye kasai wo mo akora bi na stop taxi ma sankofo no ho na wo kura na wo kwa abonte chire ho no mo no na wo akwa taxi no ye wia wa ba bebremu government abebremu oman Ghana say na krono nko na wa ha ba wa kobre enya bibi e de be fie taxi ejo ebi at times 2 kura na de be fie abejo ahomen opesi ko wia wansa o hwa he Trolleys in the god yenko business at the
yeah
bebre kroso omo yi restaurant ni shops e wo ho because patronage ni so
ye kwa eno no so a nyame anim nie me di wo fiti emra na old terminal no terminal 1 no wo no terminal 1 no na asie ho na restaurant bi wo ho no ma nipa dodo na no mkokotra ho me na ho ana mkokotra ene ye de be ye ho bia na ya wi wo ho na wo a na waja won krofo kwa no wasosoro na chese won so kakra na won so aka wo ho na bia won pese de be ma bia hormone nsande ne board na ja wakwa yisu ne sanso a na de aba me tie me wo almost 500 cedis wo mo ha for me pese me ho ba mo ba chime but we share the new terminal 3 no Kwaku airport na efe be me feel say me imagine so me hwe say ne escape o hati me hwe say the Rotterdam airport no eti metumi de na compare kotoka de na me feel say baby wo mo de restaurant no akwa she no senka ye ma wo mo ba be giant kwan no woman no woman dia ka meka say eye I think say sa e mom di see here no but now with the new restrictions say yeah ma wo nipa won krofo na woman no ba no
yeah
ma adwuma na restaurant na was ro ho no it has no value. It has no value.
Yeah.
Because me free if you never medidi. Enti enya dia me check wi a me sa kwa tra se me kwa kudidi. Se me kwa kudidi bi kra na e bia sandwich bi ena meto. Sandwich nso ro. Be meto kra na enke eno ne ya after ma pass immigration. Ena me kwa to sandwich.
No akotra boarding gate change.
That is it. Ena me kwa to ebi a sandwich ma to fanta bi ana se bi bi manom.
Yeah.
Nemu mtisa esoro hanom na
departure side.
Red ni hormone no. Nipa no musumo ma hormone no emma departure hormone.
Yeah.
And almost a restaurant and so was so. Enti Mrs. Me free fie ba medidi. Na medidi na nuane na afie kwa de enti se me nsuro nya mekura na ka beka se enuane na so ya anta so omo nso ntungu so enti we no ma ya gire mu bi Asempa na Kwaku Amankwatia Asempa ba Asempa ba wonya se obi se obi adwuma but we are saying it as it is because nipa na nke bia me ba Kwaku wa baba be jam kwa wi oni ke o mi amfro so han ko won firi han ma won nu fie no na bia ade asante ni enkotra so na ni enkonko pe ABB any se me ko no na ye nipa mi enu kwa na at least ne beto bibi adi
production
nipa na me de no
mofa sa video nto obedru so na ho nyina atutu bebre mu
nti obedru hormone no e de nti wo mo so beto ma and wo mo so mu tua taso nti mi feel say say ne bia aye too late o mera so mo ekosie but they can
video
do something.
It's a record video na ho no e bebre na shate atutum ya bie be mi pe ya tutum.
They can do something about it because asia on na make terminal one no sa restaurant na on mo amafo na ekokotena on mo den edidi eno mo nsa e ma e bi ko mo de craft niema no kura ni biba e ho ma yeto e wo ho so because autocraft no hono na de me kosoro hono mo akwa to kodwanchi enwom bia na eton bibia say $35 abira me bia say hono menya sa kodwanchi nyom no bi e bia say 30 series na do you think me ba hono akwa kokoto pinto
nti also cut price wise
minto intino e wo say wo mo dwene ho na say enye se measures bi no mbe take because wo ba be jam kwan o sen ka tete pa ne terminal wa hormone
terminal 2
airport dada na man for tu baba be gina so ron mo kwa be wevu so ba kaya
terminal ko to ka gina ho
minim sa school for kwa wo mutu ba excursion wa airport
ende do mo ba me am de me man kra ko ho no mo dansema
but kan wo ko gina so ho no mo na wo sa alupre wa na wie mu na chese ni nyina no wo ye so fu pa but now no ye nipa no enya access no e won say hano skip no any airport na keke no you won't get the access
but there's a window there's a glass ujira ho a ohu plane say wo ho you see the point we are making is Bush airport you are building nice if you said oh yeah sa architectural or ne kama but anya say yeah many pen room etina shops ni bebre across down because enwumre obia no no be call airport on ma only business or hono me na me tu kwan a me ne mabusu ana se me na mfo bi ekogya me kwan na bia kakra ka me ho no e bia ye fa no mba akomienu bi na egya ye ho kwan ene gye mu na wako but ene obia ye ma obia enrem na dipa no etete ho no kra no you can see say bia maako bi free other regions bia ye see mu ntem se de be ya yenkoche traffic near ya na say your flight into nya yenti no ye bantema ba bia bedidi ene ho etibi ba kra no mo nam krom amko didi ansa no maba eti no obi oye business or airport ho no enye value man bio
on say we skip wana sa shops ni nyina no e wa ni mu train station we ni mu ansa na wakofro na dia akọ departure hall who ready departure hall mo na your air hostess ni bi wo mu gina ho no mo a wo mo hwe ba bi akwa we wo bag no okay check in no wo mo hwe so o passport any ticket and already restricted to wo traveler no any ebe ma wo akwa gina akwa we wo niema no but shopping no near many nyina no ewo skip one ewo form wo betumi akotena one mon monsa we bibia and yes okoko check wo bag no na ekwa na we bibia no office unko immigration na be sign ni pa na baba betena ho na ne ma no want to be move ya no ma say goodbye no akwa wa baba besene e de akọ immigration na no anu be Ghana ye de no mo de shop no akwa share esro eno na architect no me say next time we see airport from we ni name no search all the shops no wo mo family ni mu ansana yakọ
immigration yakọ immigration crown na say check in
so yakọ immigration and after the immigration so shops no be bet me about my drinking spot no bet me about
after immigration
no bet me be say fa watch ni document no mo man mere ni mo ha so
after immigration the next is all no man's land the honor duty free shops in the war so what
I say it's fine it should be expensive
right
and there no problem
send no problem
everyone dey akwa san ko mo man ni pa no ekọ inside ni dey ankenye problem. But in Nippon, no find a security reason.
True. True. But security reason.
Security reason. So masa no dey shop no so no. Ama wa high. Nippon so bosun so wopia. Also pia workers. Where are they going to get that money?
Me da say. Ahaya Asempa 94.7 mo so for Kwaku Amankwatia Akontejo. Mama Jo wo bibika. Oh Mama Jo ne line a drop a yenje aboafo krato ye ba ye be fa calls kakra ha say ni ahwe say the city because say city no I think say next week we should get one of the business people on mo be no mo meka on makosem because adibia yes security wise you can say ye jeja nipa mo rera ho basa ne but obi so abeji shop on so here nipa mbeto ade eno ye dwen ho say airport security mo fa kwa dwudwum we ene ye ka no airport bia ye wo hwesofo eti Ghana Airport Company omo na ye fiera but other agencies so ho mo ye adwuma other agencies ye adwuma wo ho obia woni dia wo ye eti ye hwe Trolleys no se agency bi ene hye omo sa ene omo nya adwuma ne ya director mo ni nko ho ye cash shops no so ankofo gi na so omo befa workers amoma ye adwuma amenya tax free omo ho ne ye a edo so ye nhwe because nipa nko inside no omo go abonte ho no na anadwo ikọhwe nipa go abonte ho Ghana ni so no oto ade na so carry ne value ne ye a e no be win the bank apese wo fie no aba obi abetra airport almost about 4 hours flight ne kra ne cancel flight no a delay. And now say to that airport or this time come no eso nya bibidi that you see man in rem the wa bontin so na and sheda nya enough arrive at hokra there at say best 3 bi na bi ho so at the end of the day no airport no akoye say airport tax ni nya ska free mu ana say airlines na ba na ye tax wo na nya ska free ye betima say nya IGF no ye betima nya bebre wo ho no mo Higher Asempa 94.7 mobofo yekoja aboafo krato ye ba it say ye the phone lines no ashim e wa ha say
ye frame edi me ye Ghana ni amatena Germany efia na nanso na enda form me say enema pi ansana midruo empo ema me pa ba enti na maye madwin say me befie abehye obranase nanso misro infa na metna eden na meya hye obranase
ye frame Grace ababa wa mawie school pon na me prepare adwuma nanso aye diama me se menye adwuma e fata mabodin krata
Sawoba Ghanaian European Center for Jobs, Migration, any developments asiya. Your photo for no zero of felso. Na watu wambuase. At setsewo ejuma tia. Ya kateno yedi. Juma yedi no edroson. Ebini ankrankre afutu. Entitia ewa ejuma shishimu. Ekwan pa obetumi afaso bie wadwuma ene akwan a obetumi afaso asanya se obrase ebra wo fra kwantuo mu aba anigisam ne se wo ye ma wunyina no eye free aye okwaso wontua hwe fra yensesia eye 0556 758516 and 0556 758518. Bibia pese wuhunu efa kwantumu ene akwantumu abrabono eye Ghanaian European Center for Jobs, Migration and Development and betumi aboa.
Mark your calendars, set reminders, and get ready for the academic showdown of the year. The 2023 National Science and Maths Quiz. It's time for the brightest young minds in Ghana to battle it out for academic supremacy. Expect mind-bending equations, heart-pounding moments, and nail-biting suspense as the best schools go head-to-head. Who will emerge the ultimate champions and claim the prestigious trophy? Catch the action on TV, radio, and online starting 6th to 24th October 2023. The 2023 National Science and Maths Quiz is produced by Primetime Limited and sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Goyle PLC and supported by AT, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Pepsodent, Better Malt, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, Coronation Insurance, Garnet, Cowbell, Belacqua, Newmont, GTP, and YFM. The broadcast of the National Science and Maths Quiz on Joy News and Joy Prime is supported by Vitamilk, NASCO, German Ozone Medical Center, Royal Foam, Jamal Soap, Heritage Christian College, Virtual Security Africa, Ace Medical Insurance, Chopbox Technologies, Syntex Tank, DBS, New Crystal Health Services, Investcore, Build Financial Technologies, Better Malt, Bright Senior High School Kukrantumi, and Family Health University College.
Charlies always look out for Charlies, especially when things are tough. Like even today, you can give your Charlies 10,000 Ghana cedis. Just enjoy your favorite club beer, and you stand the chance of gifting any of your Charlies 10k Ghana sharp. If you are a Charlie, then Club is partnering with you to make this happen. Buy a chilled bottle of club beer, get the code, and nominate via *899 *9#. That's it. Cheers, Charlie.
Drink responsibly. Not for sale to persons below 18 years. Not recommended for pregnant women. This advert is FDA approved.
Asempa FM. Asempa FM.
Asempa FM ya mama kwa bademu eba jumedi atunidi Abrokyire Nkomo musomfu Kwaku Amankwatia akuntajo obetimi afre na so akire wadwe 030-221-6545 na 030-221-6546 na ososo de wadwe nkyere aba yehwe Ghana Airport Kotoka International Airport ye Trolleys na yo hono sebi previasa company ehweso no Asempa info eno mokasa wheels no fa asese se nimu de na ye adwuma echide de adwuma echide na ye adwuma enimu de na hwe baabi wodi normal gusu na wodru slope no so o koka paka emma time no ehu kire wo papa ye mema no kra de timi yiri abetimu kakra na emma time no a omodo omma eno mabusua enam no enoma hwe gu from the bia because most of the wheels no enye adwuma papa even the brakes okay sa handle na obe hold for brake engine na ebi kura nya adwuma ebi nya adwuma nti feel say wa ba bedu chrome the same trolley now we use or obi maso no eno abi ena bia esi ho no ma o kofa aye bet ubedru ha no na eno no use no na aye bibi different aye bibi o ho empay for mo ni nko ho ye wo more be brain o ho workers no ko a wotum se o mani abre o mo ye adwuma mo se saba inside no mo de ba no mo de ba bet the security aspect of it there a poor say security for more car park it may allow manko for edifa omochi ekogu street na watch on wo hwe video am de beto ho ya esisi street ne so saa esisi street ne so nyese bia mechanic keke my video and am de beto ho me de champion for so say itu anamo wo hwe a wo behu eye plane na ye de aye restaurant tanti esi kire ho wo call arrival obehu security fortity ho esun comfort de besi ho a they don't talk about it, meaning there's something wrong somewhere. 030-221-6545 and 030-221-6546 production say obiba humano so mama masonte nana reko ni so yehwe se de meka no ene yehwe airport na Pacha wana wo hold them up. Send numbers in Ibra or for callers in Ibra 030-221-6545 and 030-221. Yeah, a friend for our man so didn't be a cassette free.
Yes, the fellow marshal because of your data.
Your Max CTO.
Yo, airport and 7 day no crap. They are coming no crap. Now, the other one, 4 years, no, I think that. You name says Abia now Omu today, I don't know. The best said they are coming no crap and Jomo Franqua, you know more. I don't know, wish be prank, I'll be to me, I can't offline, come up.
I says my busy hunting number ya afraid, we are no afraid now. Afraid, now, yeah, you'll be to my and yes, also, WhatsApp number be better wait ma send over bia ho na ba bit makasa why okay me dan say yo higher Asempa 94.7 muso for Kwaku Amankwatia akontejo 030-221-6545 and 030-221-6546 so bit me do adwen chiraba ye call ye Facebook ye nuanom bi de omadwen chire aba honomo a friend is saying Piaga Yamakwaba a friend is saying Gaston Japan ubisa number media 2 honomo wa pesa number no bia no betimi afre sa number no Ghanaian European Center for Jobs Migration and Development for number no 055-675 8516 and 055-675-8518 obetima frɛ Monday to Friday 9 to 5 ofrɛ na so bia fakra na obetima ja message na obetima WhatsApp o mo be frɛ back na me ka kyerɛ sɛ bibia o mo yema obibia na e free sɛ opese akwantu hu nimde e na wunya sɛ wo nsa no adwuma e kwan be so na obefa not me apply for a year working visa ewo Europa omo enje visa ma na mom eye enchechire enom de be ma e kwan a esa otimi fa so besua ade obeyese eno na omo be ma asa akwanchire na mom se opese usua nsa no adwuma mu Ghana hase a eno so no ombetimi do akọ etitie mu ama oso akonya sa abodi krata ne bia ochena bi obetimi de akọpe wadwuma ni nyina omo ye no eye free omo Starless 91 road Enkraha Starless 91 road ministries udru Ministry of Employment and Labor Relations omo dana the chief pepe and now say Minister of Education omo gate now ano ho na be hu say dan kama bi she gate na no ho no ma omo office no ofuka wo ba bi adru kran circular wo pe ministry taxi na catch driver and say obesi last stop na wo ko GIZ for no office na wo ho no Ghanaian German Center ho on betro no opposite one ma bibia omo ye bia free so other regions so obetima call labor office bia wo region bia so eno mo Kwaku Nkomo omo cheshe omo mantiti ni nyina free office bia obekọ for this announcement no free 030-221-6545 030-221-6546 with my Fraba studios now so they wadwen kire aba na yedi nkomo ahaya Asempa 94.7 Abrokyire Nkomo na wotie no piaga menya message no production course be my idea and na ye djumedie no ebeba na wie ye beba na wie and say na obi pe ye number obetima send the WhatsApp na ye din komo iti me pe number na ma aha sane ye no me madam fi kasa kakra
This man. Boss, good afternoon. We are asking a certain question concerning the situation.
Hana be bro for the ako anymore. Mr. Bro for can be the mate. What's Seattle?
Your friend me Eddie, me a gun in near Matina Germany. If you are now sooner and that form, me say name P ansana me drew empo ema me paba. Ain't na my madrin say me befie abeshe obranasi. Now soon misro infana metna a den a meyashe obranasi.
Your friend me Grace, ababa wa me school pon. Na me prepare a juma. Now so I had diama me se me juma. A fata mabudin crater.
Sewopa Ghanaian German Center for Jobs, Migration and Reintegration Akachi A. Yen futu for no je ahoho wo fel so. Na wato wombo a church won ejumatene ni a yen akachi no di. Dwumedie no bi ne ankrankra efutu entity a ewo ejumahwehwe mu. Kwan a ye fa so na yankasa ye bie ye dwuma. Ene kwan a wutumi esan hye obrase emra we free akwantu mu aba na enije sem ne se wenyina sikaje bi anim eye free.
It's a from home for inso 055-675-8516 and 055-675-8518.
Yo, aha, ena jumedie no bede beba na wie ya dedi kan ni se number na menia ope obi o pese odi information na eja yedi nkomo fa ono so na setrem akwantu 2 ye ya obetima frɛ 02 send me WhatsApp sorry we WhatsApp line ofra Emma WhatsApp nko a 0200 20 6674 0200 20 6674. Say anything about Abrokyire Nkomo a obetima send everything message bia to this number and also betro na me read at the chrono obo ho man read and who at the chrono me throw back me pacho bebre anything about Abrokyire Nkomo this line we no WhatsApp line for Abrokyire Nkomo messages any 0200 206674 na ode o message bia ato honomo ede abasbody so ye be hye yenuanu bia enra nyame ya o madoma ye de o ebeka ye emranim so eku no ho anase o beka ye aloyafo a o mo behwe edi emra so ama ye di mra so akan asema mai iti ye de abasbody be ma the titru mia kasa menua ba me ma me bibia Shelley Ayoko Botwe Minister for Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration ne oba also be lawyer for because of international affiliate intino SSL law no usua ekonanim Samuel ku couple congratulations also can ho bi na mia kasa mi fie ha ya multimedia abasbody abekwa ma nipa mienu kojo fojo Listowell ono so enra de kan ho bi mama vi aboaje also ya matrinkwa sa nipa na yi de kofobia de kan so one on one dwumedi o maboa amana kwanenim titru ne ye maame a oda Ministry for Foreign Affairs Ministry ye maame eba nsembia ye de tunanim a ohwe ekamaye ene saso na kojofojo ene mama vi omososo etechiri for production ene so munyina be lawyers a sadete couple de me ne wa same ye bekasa ebihia okona honomo saso na edina ase be ma eye adofo nyina se ye papa yekunu yewofa yenana ebibia se night Michael yaw insia awanya ne baby crawl na ono na Micklin groups of companies eyene dia eda munyina masese mo bebo abusia ema yeja ye papa yi kwan kra ye do bibia ase ene jumedi se de mekan no next week nyame adoma ye ne penfo bi so be kasa Reverend Father sasemi free no ho menin mi no nyina na airport hia Reverend Father nyame adoma next week oba be kasa o sa de we ho ekwan a ye ne penfo be fa so aka ama ye Trolleys no aba back to the nine ye bobijina ne naso yi ti e kasa obi be back to 8 feet let's say the nine bubu nti ye Trolleys na wa airport no penfo hwe na omunye ne yi se me kan obi tie na o airport on ma obetime di madanse saso na yen shops na e wo ho no bebre na ekruso o modie because se obi tu kwan na one na busua na yesi e mu rem passenger na nko a passenger ne kwa obesasa na chi aba na chi ya na ye di nto be de obekopreko eti nipa no wo inside na o ton ade wo di dwa be de dwa die no akoso mpanyifo fa kwa adwunwum ne yen hwe se de kan no se obi ne na busua for betra say more than even 30 minutes or okra so mutimi sori no bi so betra say no di bi ene akwanya enye se okotra ho no mo akobo nkomo edo bi ase jumedie no Ghanaian German Center for Jobs Migration and Development for edamunyi so ase se mo beso jumedie mu nyame yadoma next week ebishia time with Dr. Phil and edu so it is say there okay and the coach agree pa na wa ye wild or park so na we so couple penalties ni bi hey yeah coach agree I don't know how more penalties ni bi